First start of model of Henery Fords engine. I'm still in the process of fine-tuning it. This is just a temporary setup here. I'm just running this off a buzz coil, Model T Ford buzz coil. It seems to work pretty well. There's a picture of the buzz coil setup. I just hooked an old battery charger up to it, 6 volts to the buzz coil. And then I've got a temporary, well that's not temporary, that's how it's going to be, the timer assembly. Running off the camshaft lobe right here. And all that does is ground the buzz coil so it buzzes. I think with some fine tuning it'll be okay. You can't run these engines very long. There's no cooling. Yeah, you can't grab onto that cylinder. It's quite warm. I'm thinking a minute or two run time's about long enough. To get the thing to run, I'm just using straight ether in my fuel reservoir. I think once everything makes friends and I get the timing set correctly, we can run regular gasoline in it. But it's a pretty close replica of Henery's first engine. There's a larger picture of it. It said early 1980s. I'm thinking it was 1898. This picture is from Country Gentleman magazine, 1944. And I believe it was probably an advertisement to sell Ford cars and trucks.